guess what? My name's James, and today we're gonna be messing with ZORbees and slime and other slime. So it's pretty exciting and pretty messy, and it's gonna get messy today. So we have to do this. So I'm gonna start with ZORbees first. I have a little bit ZORbees right here. When I crunch it down deep, it goes crunched down, and I can't even crunch it. What, Mom?
Yeah, pull the tail back.
Crushes down. I pulled it back already.
Maybe you can put more.
I have to put more ZORbees. Is there water in there?
Probably some.
Yep, there's a lot of water.
Yeah.
So, time to crush. Oh, all the water. Guys, I'm gonna stomp it with my feet because it's not even working. So I'm gonna stomp it with my feet. And is it clear? Yep. Good. Good now. We crushed it down deep. I hope it's not stuck, or if it's stuck, for sure down there. And 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Ew.
Ew. Look at all that crunch. Ew. This monster is yucky. Ew, what the? Ew, more. Ew. 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 That was yucky. That was messy. For sure it was messy. Crunch. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was not a skip. Oh no. I'm just gonna crush it with my feet instead. 1, 2, 3. All the ZORbees, they're sticky.
What do they feel like?
They feel like slimy gummy bears. Ew. 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 Ew, it feels yucky. Ew. Okay, that's messy. That's it. That's it for sure. I'm gonna pour more because I want to make this go on. So it's gonna get more messier, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. 1, 2, 3.
Now pull that tail back out. Turn it where they can see.
I crunched it. I crunched it again. Crunched it. I stuck. Oh. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3. Ew! Oh, the gonna pour Orbeez and slime now. The greatest thing ever. With ink in it. With ink. Don't touch ink, guys. Ink is dangerous for you to touch. Even. Oh. Ew. Ew. Ew, all the Orbeez in there. It's gonna be so messy. Eggs! The eggs are the best part. Ew. Ew. The eggs. All of it. So this candle looks like a slimy cake. A slime cake. Door can die. Just die. Go in there. Told you it's more stickier than I thought it could be. It's sticking to my pants even.
It's slime. Play in it.
It makes slime go faster and slimier. Crunches. Ew. What was that?
Wind.
So that's messy. Ew. Let's use the dinosaur. The big, crunchy dinosaur with crunchy stuff. To get slimed. Oh! That's so gross. Ew! Ew! Oh my gosh. That's sticky. Ow, that just hurt. Oh! It looks like boogers. Ew! It looks like he has a little tiny baby on his nose. Gonna crunch him. Ew!
You try
This
to.
channel is worth it. It's yucky. Ew! Ew! That's a lot of slime.
You could try to scoop some of the slime into that bucket thing
What bucket thing?
on his back.
What bucket thing?
On his back.
Back. I never knew that.
Yeah.
And even we could put the slime in the little other thing. Ew. 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 Slime. 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 Ew. 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 Why is the slime crusted? It's like a slime puddle. Ew. So yucky. So gross. Ugh. So we gotta put this in there. The other one, where we could put it in the other bucket. The other little thing on his back. Put on his back. It was like a slime. Wait, I see the ink. Just the ink's dangerous than anything else. Ew. Slimy. You're the slimiest ink that I ever known. The slime got back, Mama. The slime got slimier again.
Ooh.
The ink got slimier again. Oh my goodness. It's like a ink pizza, but sticky. The ink pizza. Ew. Ah! Wait, I think I see a more ink. I'm gonna scoop that up right here. That's like a bubble, dude. That's a big bubble I ever seen in my whole entire life. Whoa! That makes a bluish color, a green bluish color. There. Ew! It looks like a sunken ship would crash in 81,000. Oh my goodness! Ew! Thanks back. Thanks back. Thanks back. That's that.
You gonna wrap it up?
I'm gonna put the ink pack out because the ink pizza gotta go away. Ink pizza! Ink pizza! Ink pizza's not coming out. Ink pizza doesn't want to go. Ink pizza! Thank you, ink pizza. Thank you. Now guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in